Welcome back to part 3 of our HTML tutorial series, brought to you by Amatip IT. In this video, we will cover some advanced HTML topics to take your web development skills to the next level. First, let's discuss the importance of using semantic tags in HTML to enhance the structure and accessibility of your web pages. One essential tag is the header tag, which represents the introductory content or a group of navigational links at the top of a page. Another crucial tag is the nav tag, which is used to define a set of navigation links within a section of a page. To emphasize important content, you can use the strong tag, which renders text in bold. For italicized text, you can use the M tag, which adds emphasis without any semantic meaning. Headers play a significant role in organizing content, from H1 to H6, with H1 being the most important and H6 being the least important. In HTML, you can also include lists using the ul tag for unordered lists and the ol tag for ordered lists. To insert images, use the img tag and include the source and alt text attributes. Linking to other pages can be done using the a tag, which takes the href attribute to specify the URL. To divide your web page into sections, you can use the div tag, which acts as a container for grouping related elements. Tables can be created using the table tag, with rows defined using the tr tag and cells using the td tag. Now that you understand these advanced HTML topics, you are well on your way to becoming a proficient web developer. Be sure to practice what you've learned and stay tuned for more exciting tutorials from Amatip IT.